pool. The pool's ears will be flying.
Yeah.
Playing stuff.
Yeah, I got a list of things here for you.
I like that.
All right, want to push it out?
Yep.
The rear window?
Oh, that's what that is?
Yeah, that rear window cranks up and down.
Really? Do that again?
Let's see if I can untangle.
Okay. Was there a bungee cord on this?
Yeah. Hold it.
Oh, they were sitting. I didn't notice there was no bolts in the carburetors. Let's just take the motor out. Let me pop the doors off before we leave.
Do you think this is attached?
I don't know. I'm starting to wonder.
There we go. All right.
Spare parts here.
They come with the car.
I imagine it's all gonna come apart.
Your brake line needs a little work.
Yep. That's why I couldn't stop earlier. A little brake line. Here we go. Blah, 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 blah. I'm already making motor noises.
Yeah, I couldn't open it.
Oh, can't leave that in there. Yeah, definitely.
from North Reading. He says to me, "Geez, I see you got all these old cars hanging around here." He says, "I got this hot rod in my garage over in North Reading." He said, "I'm not going to do anything with it. Would you be interested in buying it?" I said, "Well, yeah. Well, what is it? What do you got?" He says, "A 34 Ford Coupe." And yeah, I wasn't really into the 34s. They're kind of nice, but anything hot rod, yeah. Okay, I'll be over there tonight. When I get out of work, close at the shop. So I drove over there. It was at night, and I pulled my car up behind this little one-car garage, filthy, dirty grease and shit and parts and crap everywhere. Had a 389 motor in it.
I remember when it had the 3.9 sitting way up high.
No, it wasn't in it when I got it. It was in the car, and it blew through a rod through the side of the block, and he pulled it out, and the motor was sitting over there just bleeding oil all over everything, but it had the tri-power on it. So I said to him, "Well, yeah, let me think about it." He wanted $2,500 for the car. So I said, "Well, let me think about it." And I got walking, I got to the back tire, and saying to myself, "Don't fucking walk away from this." Just I always had money on me because of this shit would happen in my shop all the time. Here you go. This is $2,500. I'll be back Saturday with a car trailer to pick it up.
Yeah.
Okay. And I took the tri-power with me, which I sold for $1,000.
Oh my God.
And
So it was a cast iron tri-power.
yeah,
The factory, yeah.
GTO tri-power. So the next morning, a guy called me about 10 o'clock and he said, "Geez, I hear you bought Dave's 34. And I said, "Yeah." He says, I was looking at it and I told him I'd think about it, and I called him last night and he said that you bought it. Would you be interested in selling it? And I'm like, I don't know, I just a sperm of the moment that I bought the thing. So he said, "Tell you what, I'll double your money. I'll give you $5,000 for this thing." I'm there, whoa, what the hell did I buy here? Yeah, maybe this is worth more than I thought.
Let me think about it.
Yeah, so I said, no, I'm going to keep it. I didn't need money. I was making money left and right down at the shop. So, yeah, I kind of thought about it and said, geez, that'd be the easiest $2,500 I made. I haven't even picked the car up yet.
Right.
So I decided to keep it. And it wasn't shopped, it was painted turquoise. And I got a couple of pictures of it down the shop. Actually, Baron put them on Facebook. When I had it, I went down and got it and brought it back down to the shop.
Yeah, if you want old pictures of it, Baron's.
I have one that he posted of it from the front, unchopped, still the turquoise color. Yeah.
There's another one that was taken like at the 3/4 angle, sitting there
Okay.
in front of the shop in the.
Oh, I haven't seen that one yet. I'll have to ask him as soon as the cat's out of the bag. Nobody knows about this.
Oh, they're going to.
Oh yeah, you'll be the first one to say it. Yep.
The grapevine is vibrating.
Yeah.
It'll be all over Facebook before you get
I'm
home.
not even gonna have to say.
Don't pass out my phone number. I'll be getting death threats.
It'll be on Facebook, and people are gonna be what? And you know what? They're gonna be coming back down here. People are coming left and right. What are you doing?
I've
Oh,
sold
don't forget
more
I
shit
want
this
this.
year.
Are you
Yeah.
selling
I've had
that?
stuff up for sale for 3 years. I started selling stuff. Nothing, no calls, nothing. This year,
Everything.
holy shit, stuff is
All that
flying out the
stimulus
door.
money,
That's it.
Yeah.
all that free money.
People have free time.
See, we have another customer here.
Well, I owe you some of that too. So.
When you get ready, let me know.
Oh.
I'd have to bring that home into the darkness of night. My wife saw that coming through. Told me.
Oh, gee.
What I do is put all kinds of stuff inside of it, bury it and hide it, and then have her out there with me. So when I take the stuff off,
found.
no, it's oh my god, I forgot I had this.
God, I owned it. Oh, that's like the new shoes in the closet.
She just liked the
So you
video
understand?
of that.
What are you
My
gonna
wife just liked it.
Oh yeah.
She's got you on film now saying that.
Oh wait, skull and crossbones.
do some
And she
pictures of
unfriended.
aluminum screws, and then tell you buy
They're
them.
cut off now.